I mean, do we know anything about forces? Not our bell. How do we know about forces? I mean, we test it, but like, do we even know what we mean by forces? We're using the word. How can we learn about stuff like that?
Search it up.
Okay, so maybe we need to do some research. All right, I'll start a new thing. Research. What do we need to research? Forces. What'd you say, Brian?
What is force and what causes force?
Force, like what it is. What causes it. Okay. All right, what else do we need to put up here? Is this a good starting point?
Yeah.
So what if the next time we came in, sounds like we just need to test a bunch of collisions. Does that sound like a plan for next time? I'll just bring in some supplies. We'll see if we can test some different collisions. Yeah? And see what we can figure out from that. Record our results like you said, right?
Yeah.
Sound good? Okay. We are pretty late. You guys have done an awesome job today. Because I know you were nervous about getting all your ideas out. But like, this feels strong to me, doesn't it? Hey guys, we're not missing anybody here, right? Are we? Who sits there? All right, I should see a title. I should see a date. Next, you're writing a claim. And you're writing down some things that we should test out. Anaya's not here either. How about Yandel? Is he here? No? Okay. JJ. Oh, I'm proud of all of us. We're all getting started. I don't think we know the answer to this yet, do we? Do we? No. So is it okay if our answers are wrong?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because what are we going to do in science class probably?
Make mistakes all the time.
We're going to make mistakes all the time? How are we going to know whether our answers are right or wrong?
Making mistakes.
Well, we'll make mistakes for sure, right? But like, how can we know if our claim that we're writing is right or wrong?
Finding it out.
How we're going to find it out?
Testing it.
Let's test it, right? So we're going to gather evidence. One of our norms, if you remember, is that we work together to figure things out. So if you have a claim that's correct, awesome, cool. If you have a claim that's incorrect, also awesome, also cool. Because we're going to gather evidence to either prove or disprove your claims. I want to take a quick poll in here. We're going to do thumbs up or thumbs down. Thumbs up if you say, yes, all solid objects change shape when you apply a force in a collision. When they get pushed in a collision like this paper's bending, every solid object will do that. Yes. Thumbs down if you say, no, I don't think every solid object is going to do that. Let's get your thumbs in the air. What do you say? Okay, I see a lot of thumbs down. I see a couple thumbs to the side. What does the thumb to the side mean?
Maybe.
Maybe, sometimes, so it depends. What does it depend on?
The type of thing.
So if you're saying some materials bend and some don't, then your thumb would be down, right? Because a thumb up means that every solid object is going to bend. A thumbs down means some bend, but some don't, right? Was there another reason people had thumbs to the side? For what? We're going to leave that alone. Leave this alone. All right, so what does a maybe mean?
Like, it probably does
It probably does what?
bend.
It probably does bend. Okay, cool. So I'm giving you a lab sheet for today that we're going to use to, for our claim and evidence today as we gather all of our evidence.